Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Siri on iOS 26. To turn on Siri, go to the settings, then in settings you'll find Siri, or if you have a iPhone 15 or newer, it'll be called Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, in Siri requests, I think so. If you go to talk to Siri, yes, now you can enable it in two different methods. Either to press side button for Siri. Once that's enabled, then you'll just need to, I'm just gonna go through that. You'll just need to press and hold on the side button to turn on Siri. On iPhone 15 or newer, it'll look differently than here. It'll be like across the whole screen, some colorful lights on the border of the screen, and you can also either simultaneously with the side button or instead of the side button enable Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. And what it does is it lets you say out loud either Hey Siri, or if you select this first option, then Siri or Hey Siri, to activate it automatically. So let's do that. I'm gonna do the first option with Siri or Hey Siri, and I think that it should ask me to set it up, but I already have it set up, so I don't need to do that. But if it asks you to set it up, you'll just need to say 4 phrases out loud and it'll set Siri up. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.